Okay, today we got the Instant Pot back out again, and we're going to do some really fast and easy mashed potatoes here. This is so much faster than doing it the old-fashioned way on the stove, and it's going to go really quick. You'll be surprised. It's going to turn out great. I've got about 3 pounds of these russet potatoes here, and that's about 5 or so of these medium-sized potatoes. And I'm just going to peel these and give them a good wash, and then we'll stick them on into the Instant Pot here. But you don't have to peel these to do this recipe. I just kind of thought it would look nicer for video purposes here to go ahead and peel them and make our mashed potatoes that way, so they're all fluffy and white without any of the little skins poking through. So let me get these peeled, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, I've got them all peeled now, so now we're just going to cut these guys up into chunks and put them down here into the Instant Pot. And these don't have to be very small. These can all just be, just about this size or so, and they all just go in here. Okay, I've got these all cut up and into the Instant Pot here, and we're just going to add some water here now just to cover them up just to where they're just covered. And that's good right there. And in goes 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now I've got about a 1/4 cup of butter here. Just going to add that in there and stir that around when we mash it. And I'm just using a potato masher here just to mash this stuff up with. Get that butter melted pretty good in there. That butter had come to mostly room temperature. Okay, and I've got another 1/4 cup of whole milk here. And a 1/4 cup of sour cream. This will make these potatoes just really creamy. Get all that in there. About a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. About a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And another teaspoon of salt. Oops. There we go. That was kind of a messy addition of salt, but it got in there, so we're okay. Now we're just going to mash all this up, get this really creamy. You could take a hand mixer to this and just really whip it up really good with the mixer, but I think we'll just forego that for this particular batch of potatoes. This will be good enough. Okay, that's probably good enough. I'm going to transfer these to a serving bowl now, and we'll finish it up. Okay, I like to finish these up by just drizzling a little more melted butter on there that I melted in the microwave. And finally, some chopped chives. I've got these chives growing in a pot on the patio, and I'm always looking for some kind of excuse to use them, so this is a good excuse as any. Okay, I think that's enough chives. Thanks for watching. Hope you tried these potatoes. They really are easy. It's a lot easier than trying to do it on the stovetop, and and you free your stovetop up for other things, especially when you're trying to get everything together for a big holiday meal. I love the Instant Pot. It just really is a big time saver for a lot of things, and these potatoes are proof positive of that.